Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video in this series about OverStream Studio. Check the playlist, I'll put it up there as well, of all the previous videos. They're all quite quick, short ones, but they are quite handy, especially if you're doing sport content. And this one, I believe anybody can use this, in my opinion. So let's just get into it and straight away. So we're going to do the 3D cube logo. I think this is brilliant because it just, everyone would put your logo on something and it just spin and give you a bit of different aspect to it. So this is great in my opinion. So go to the console again. I might have it already opened up. I do. So this one I've put in our good friends at StreamUp, Andy, Waldo and Silver. I'll put a link to there. They make some incredible stuff. Just check them out. Honestly, check them out. We're going to press apply. And styles, this one, so you've got a few bits here, so you can change the velocity. So 1 is the slowest, excuse me, 32 is the quickest, 10's about a nice sweet spot, and then you can change the axis from 0 on different axes. Anyway, look, I can't say it, alright? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Right, we're going to press apply, and then, excuse me, we're going to press apply, and then we're going to just copy the URL like we've done previously, open up OBS, and this one doesn't have to be as big. I'm going to put 3D logo. Oh, I can't. Why is it wrong with me today? I can't spell. 3D logo and press OK. This one, I'm just going to leave it as is. We can adjust it. I can't honestly remember what the size was. There we go. That's plenty. So at the moment you can see, and it's just an empty box spinning, and we're just going to do our usual press apply, press apply. There we go. So certain images don't work great with it. Got a solid image as well. So for example, let's find one. Let's find one. Try that one. There you go. Fine. YouTube, perfect. Again, if you're going to mess around or play around with the speed, was it the other way around? 32 is sorry, I got that round the wrong way. 1 is obviously the quickest, and the mentalist. 32 is the slowest. I think, like I say, 10 to 12, quite a nice balance. If you're going to change some of the axes and what they spin around at, then you can. Again, I can't say it. Leave me alone. And then there is a little border that you can change the colour of. So that one, red might be good for that one. Oh, hang on. Press apply, and it changes it on the fly. Again, you can do an auto hide. So go it on and off, and you just place it where you want. Then, for example, you've got it in the corner. And yeah, nice quick one. I think it adds a little bit of dimension, a different dimension to logo. Hopefully this helps. Again, the playlist we'll put it there. So check this playlist out for all the videos on OverStream, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.